Hi, in this section, we are going to see about the bucket policy, how to enforce the bucket policy on the bucket. So basically, I'm giving a permissions on the bucket such that only this specific user can access that bucket. Not only that, you can enforce some kind of key. Without KMS key, you are not supposed to upload any file, or only a specific service can be accessed on that particular S3 bucket. So let me show you one of the bucket policy I have implemented. So let me go to this bucket, AWS training with CLI. And if you go to the permission, and I have already written the bucket policy. Okay. So now I'll tell you how to write the bucket policy without uh, in the JSON format. You don't need to remember the syntax. Okay. Only you have to understand the concept. Okay. So let me tell you what is this. So if you see here, this is a SID. It's a unique identity. Okay. You can give any name. Okay. So this version should be there. This you should not change. Okay. This should be a proper standard. This version should be in proper format. SID, you can give any name. Okay. Any name you can give. And effect is like what is allowed, what you should not allow. Okay. So I'm giving a deny permission. Okay. And the principle is I am giving the what kind of allow. Okay. What kind of need to allow. So in this action, I'm allowing the put object. So anybody can upload the file here. I mean, it's not anybody. You can upload the file on this S3 bucket. Okay. For which S3 bucket? For this S3 bucket. Okay. So I given the S3 bucket ARN. So this is your S3 bucket name ARN. And this is the what kind of operations. So what kind of operation? It is a file upload. I can upload the file. Okay. And next is I'm giving the condition if you don't have encryption, so you should have the encryption should be enabled. Okay. Without the encryption, it won't upload. So I'm giving a condition if string is not equal to without any encryption of KMS, it won't allow you to upload on S3 bucket. That is a bucket policy I have given. So without encryption, nobody can upload onto S3 bucket using this thing. Okay. So this is the enforcing on my S3 bucket. Okay. So we'll see how to generate this kind of policy and we will update it here. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.